हमारे कश्मीरियों को आजादी नहीं मिलती, पाकिस्तानी कौम उनके साथ खड़ी है, पूरी तरह जद्दोजहद करेगी, आखिरी दम तक हम कश्मीरियों के साथ खड़े रहेंगे।
To the world that all the Muslim leaders must unite and take a stand against the scrutiny that why you Muslim leaders are sitting and not raising voice for innocent Kashmiris. Look at our leader Imran Khan, how brave he is and how strong he is. He's standing and he's raising voice for Kashmir. Can't you be like him?
Can't you be like him?